To make your VPN undetectable, you need to avoid detection systems used by websites, streaming platforms, and networks. Here are effective ways to stay hidden. Use obfuscated servers. Many advanced VPNs offer obfuscation technology that disguises VPN traffic as regular web traffic, making it harder to detect. Enable obfuscated mode or stealth mode in your VPN settings. Check the link in the description for a promotional offer. Change VPN protocols. Use OpenVPN or WireGuard with stealth technology to mask VPN usage. Some VPNs offer specialized anti-detection protocols like Shadow SOCKS or IKE v2/IPsec. Switch VPN servers. Connect to a less crowded or newer server to reduce the chance of detection. Use servers labeled streaming or obfuscated for better anonymity. Enable dedicated IP. A dedicated IP address is harder to block compared to shared VPN IPs. Use multi-hop VPN. This routes your traffic through two servers, making it more difficult to track. Disable WebRTC and DNS leaks. Turn off WebRTC in your browser settings. Ensure your VPN has DNS leak protection enabled.